So guys, I'm going to school now. And also, Mama's just make sure I'm ready to go. And my bag is really heavy.
They went in the bin?
I want to show you this book that has pictures of me, like family, and writing.
Yesterday.
Yeah,
And writing about what
the reason why I thought they might
I
have been in the bin is because I put them in the
7 days.
plastic bag that I bought for lunch when I was walking. But I just looked in the bag and I was right there.
Nice. Okay. Let's see. Before the
It was be here, otherwise you
Okay.
wouldn't be able to come
Let's do it.
No, like as in I just thought maybe I'll put them back in the bag.
Here's my
in.
writing.
Yeah, if you put it in the bag,
Of where
put it
we're
in the
going
bin,
to
then
do
you
a
couldn't
Melbourne.
Get up here.
Then that's no, like as in I put them in
First
the
day when we arrive,
bag
we're
after
going to
I
have
opened the door. But I
dinner
but
with
even if I
Nan
did,
and
they're in
Pa.
there now, so it's not
Second day,
I didn't
Gwen.
do that.
Thursday,
But I'll be
Ron. Fourth day, Jess. I'm going to see Jakey.
I'm dropping out to Paris today, guys, kasi Daddy Mike starts early on Thursdays. So, normally kasi si Daddy Mike yung nadadrop kay Ate Paris. But today, since early mag-start si Daddy Mike, ako yung magdadrop si baby Celine natin ay tulog pa, guys. So, andun. Okay naman kasi si Daddy Mike working from home. So, he can look after baby Celine pagkagising baby Celine. But school drop-off is very quick lang. Alam niyo naman, malapit lang kami sa school eh.
What can I do without my bag?
Si Daddy Mike, maaga umalis kanina, guys. Nilakad niya si Louie. And then, he went to get something like hot drinks. So, binilhan niya rin ako. Hirap, alam niyo guys, ang hirap mag-vlog. Open the door. May mga hinahawakan ka. Oh my goodness. Vlog po more, Jubilin.
Now let's go now.
Yeah.
So bright. It's so bright but so cold.
Yeah. Sunny. Alright, give Mama a cuddle. You have a good day. See you soon. Love you.
Love you.
Come on. Mwah. Have a good day. So, kakadrop lang natin kay Ate Paris, guys. Kakauwi ko lang din. Nagpark lang ko dito sa baba. I will get baby Celine ready. Tapos yung mga dadalhin naming pagkain niya. Kasi, at 10:30, may appointment si Mami niyo for nails, guys. Tingnan niyo. So, these nails has been on for way over a month now. Tingnan niyo, sobrang haba na ng tubo niyo. Tapos, ito, nabalik na siya, guys. Tingnan niyo. Kawawa naman. But the rest, they're holding up well. They're actually my natural nails. No, very mabilis tumubo yung aking mga nails, guys. But ayan, mabilis din siyang mag-break.
And he gave it to me.
Are you happy you get banana?
I did it!
Yeah. Remember yesterday you've been crying?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, I want banana.
You want banana.
And I got it.
You got it? You happy?
Yeah.
What do you say to Mama?
They would
Thank
never
you.
be able to obtain that information from anywhere.
What?
So when
You were crying? What was it? What did you say?
I said I want banana.
Yeah, you said you want Mommy back.
No, I was crying, but I want banana.
Ang banana.
Who's getting coffee? I'm getting worms out.
yeah, you can't
I
get
got a worm out. Mama, I got a worm out.
Mama's gonna do Lini's hair. So we can go. Where's Mama going? Where's Lini and Mama going?
Paint our nails.
Paint the nails.
Mom, I said already.
Did you sleep well? Did you dream?
Mom, ow, Mama, you hurt me.
Sorry.
Yeah, and hopefully you'll just not
Ow.
you won't obviously go forward. Don't
I'm the one
hang up.
who's there.
Um,
I'm there. There.
La, sana dito magmanya
This
tong
one,
mukha
this
ko, eh.
one. Ow. Mama, why? This.
look, Chris,
Thank
I'm gonna
you,
put
baby
through
girl.
now to get the transfer. The artwork
I
transfer.
made it. For you.
That's not for me, for Jake. For Ati's friend in Melbourne. You haven't met Jake, have you?
No.
Oh yeah, you have actually, but we were little. Probably
Oh,
can't remember him.
my paper gone. My paper gone. My mama paper gone. I think the monster ate it all. Mom, I think the monster got it.
Yeah?
Ow, my hair. Mommy,
Sorry, my love. There you go.
you just hurt me.
Sorry, I don't mean to hurt you. Look, so beautiful. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you. You beautiful girl. You are. I'll get your shoes, okay? Get ng kanyang pa-outfit.
Mom, they look like aunties.
You know why? Because they're aunties. They're small for auntie now.
No, it looks like aunties again. That's mine.
Boots na bulingit kay dinrumingan niya.
I'll just push you in the face and your eye. In the garage.
In the garage?
Yes. Like that. That is funny.
Okay.
Oh. Mom,
Is it too small?
no. It is. Mom, I need to go to Auntie. I need to go Auntie.
Need to go, auntie.
Yeah. He wants to wear it.
Whoopsie.
Auntie wants to wear it.
Yes, too small for ate, no? This was ate's. Yung outfit ni Baby Celine ay
Mom, it hurts.
That's it.
That hurts.
Okay. Be, up. See. Okay, Lord. Eh? Kita mo na.
My belly's dead. Not again.
Say good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning! Oh my God, my beautiful guy! Nana!
Nag-park na kami sa parking spot nila, guys.
Two
Yeah, here.
boxes.
2 crackers? Okay. Keep going.
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
Got upstairs. Fix it. Whoa.
Good girl.
The two babies.
Yeah. Nak, we'll do our outfit of the day first lang. Show your outfit. Yeah. Hey, go there. Go there. Move there. Yeah. Kita na ang iyong puso. Okay. Say?
Can I get the phone with present? Can I? Can I, Mom?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll show you. Is
No,
it
it's okay.
one? Yep.
I do it.
Okay. Up, up. Good girl. Okay. Go. Oh, that's going down. There you go.
Going up.
Right. Good. Tile cleaning in progress.
I like this green.
Yeah, I know.
Fix it.
Natakot naman kayo.
Open.
Mama.
And then coating.
Okay.
Go.
We're here.
Yeah. Shaya!
204. Here. Hi, how are you? Say hi. It is 3:46 in the afternoon. And na-pick up ko na si Ate Paris. Nandito na kami sa bahay, guys. Nakauwi na kami. So, umuwi kami kaagad kasi I had to find the house keys. Kasi hinanap namin kaninang umaga ni Daddy Mike. What's wrong?
The Halloween's gone.
Huh?
The Halloween's gone.
The Halloween's gone. Go get the phone. The phone is on the table. In the kitchen, kitchen bench. Oh, Cuddle. Cuddle. Thank you for being a good girl today.
Where?
At the thing. The nail place. Oh.
No.
So that is my new set of nails, guys. Kita ba? Ayan. Ang haba na talaga ng kuko ko, guys. Grabe. And, so I chose pink. I know, I always say I want to try a different color, but I can't help myself. Every time na nakikita ko yung kulay na pink, and it's not the same pink all the time naman. Like, there are different shades of pink.
I'm tired.
So, ayan siya.
I'm tired.
Are you tired? I can smell your bum bum.
No,
I love you so much. Basilin has been a good girl. She's waited patiently. She was playing by herself.
I'm playing.
Smell. Ew! Wait, can you put... No, go.
No, I want
You go away. Alam niyo ba guys, slowly na akong nag-empake. Actually, hindi nag-empake, but you know, yung mga damit na dadalhin namin, parang inaano ko na, sinesegregate ko na para pag it's time to pack, then andun na lahat, parang wala akong maiwan ba. Especially yung mga leggings ng mga kids, very importante yun guys. Although, hindi ba sa karamihan yung meron kami dito, but for sure, it's easy to buy when we go to Melbourne, guys. Makakabili kami ng mga leggings doon. But when it comes to like mga damit, alam niyo yun, like medyo ma-pressure na yun eh. So if meron naman kami dito, yun yung gagamitin namin noon. Kahapon, may natanggap akong tawag na sobrang hindi ko in-expect, guys. Nakasave yung number niya sa phone ko. Kasi when I first arrived here in Australia, siya yung naging manager ko. Siya yung nag-hire sa akin. Like my first, tawag doon, yung opisina ba na work dito sa Australia. And then we became friends. He's, you know, he's Asian as well. Chinese, like, I think. And it's really, really good. So, nung pagkatingin ko sa phone ko kasi na-miss ko yung tawag niya. Sabi ko, there's no other person with this name na kakilala ko at nakasave sa phone ko. So, sa isip ko, isa lang talaga. Siya lang talaga. So, I called him back and I was right. And then sabi ko, oh my God, it's been a long time. Like, it's been years and years, guys, na hindi kami nag-usap. But that's one good thing about, like, here in Australia with your phone. Since I arrived in Australia, guys, the same yung phone number na ginagamit ko. So, kung nakasave man yung phone number ko somewhere, ay talagang makukontak nila ako kasi the same pa rin yung number. Hindi ako makapaniwala sa rason kung bakit tinawagan niya ako, guys. After all those years na hindi kami nagkausap, tinawagan niya ako because he's asking me if I know I have a family na looking for someone to be in a relationship or someone, you know, husband. Kasi may kakilala daw siya na naghahanap ng mapapangasawa. So, kaka-divorce lang daw and parang meron ng trust issues sa mga babae siguro dito sa dito sa Australia. Anyways, itong aking manager before ay straight away daw ay naisipan daw niya ako. Natawa ako, tinanong ko siya, sabi, bakit naman ako yung unang naisip mo? And he has good reason, guys, and explain naman niya sa akin kasi sabi niya, you know, I've known you since you moved to Australia in the year 2011. He said, I can see, I can tell that you're a good person. And he said, birds with same feather flocks together. Yun yung sabi niya sa akin, guys. So, kung mabuti daw akong tao, sabi niya, may mga, yung family ko, kung saan ako nanggaling, yung aking mga relatives, ganun, ay for sure, meron din daw ganitong traits. So, since yung kakilala niya ay na-traumatized na nga sa relationship niya dito sa Australia, sabi ni, ng former manager ko, na, how about, like, finding someone from overseas, like Philippines, Vietnam, and that. But he said mainly Philippines because he said that, you know, people from the Philippines are real nice and all that stuff. And I said like, oh, thank you for, you know, recognizing that. Hindi nga niya alam na nag-move na kami ng Brisbane. So tagal na namin hindi nagkausap talaga. Hindi niya alam na 2 years and a half ago ay nag-move na kami dito. And sabi niya na, you know, might come up to Brisbane or when you come down to Melbourne, you know, we can catch up for coffee and that. Sabi niya, yung kakilala niya talaga daw ay gusto daw talaga maghanap ng mapapangasawa. Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, funny enough, not in my family, but yung random people na, yun bang mga kakilala mo pero hindi mo talaga close, na nag-add lang sa'yo sa Facebook, and that they are the one na nagtatanong sa akin na, hay, ireto mo naman ako sa ito, ganyan, meron ba naghahanap ng mapapangasawa dyan, I'm looking for someone, ito, ganyan. But never talaga sumagi sa isip ko na alam mo yung magreto-reto na, yeah, he's looking for someone or she's looking for someone. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya na I feel the sense of responsibility. So, in a way na kapag nagpa-match-match ako, may naghanap, tapos may nag-ano din na, gusto ko nang papangasawa, ito ganyan. If something good happen to them after nilang magkita, then I'm very happy for them. But if something is not gonna go our way, or it's not gonna go the right way, you know, like, you'll never know, hindi na alam eh, baka hindi sila magka-match at may mga conflicts, yung mga ganun. So, baka magkarati sila, guys, at magsinumbaga sila. I feel like parang responsable ako kasi ako yung diba? Ako yung nag-match sa kanila eh, diba? So, sabi ko sa kanya yun. But sabi niya, just, you know, like, if you have anyone in your family that's looking for one. It's sa family ko naman, guys, wala talaga. Kung meron man mga, yung mga medyo bata-bata pa, hindi talaga yung mature na, yung nasa 30 plus or more, ganun. Kasi yung mga pinsan ko, nasa mga mid-20s, mga ganun, mid-20s lower. So, kung yung naghahanap naman ay medyo may edad na at gusto nila ng mas mature, hindi ko maaano yun. Para sa akin din kasi, mas maganda yung, kung naghahanap ka man ng mapapangasawa, ay ikaw talaga yung parang ikaw, let the universe work its magic. Yun bang, hindi dahil ako yung nagbigay sa kanya ito, ganyan. Kasi, ayoko kasing ayokong magka-problema later down the road. What's going on, anak?
Mommy, what?
Did you eat it? Oh?
Mom,
Yes.
Did you eat it?
Yeah.
No.
Drink water. Hi, you have too much chocolate. Anyways, yun na nga, nag-stop na yung namin, yung conversation namin doon. Just sabi niya na, keep in touch, ito ganyan, just in case nga lang daw na meron, let him know, kasi, sabi niya, I assure you naman na mabait tong tao. Mabait tong taong to. And I know, guys, I don't think he is going to, like, recommend ganun-ganun sa akin, guys, kung hindi mabuti yung tao. Kasi itong former manager ko, sobrang bait niya talaga na tinulungan niya ako ever since nung kakastart ko lang dito sa Australia. When I was looking for a job, may mga interview, because he's already up there, like, like high rank na siya. Like, he helps me out with the, interview questions, mga ganun-ganun. So, I don't think, like, he will get me into a situation na hindi maganda. But yeah, sabi ko, it's the second time na merong naghanap sa akin, guys, na may, may mapapangasawa, ganito, ganyan. Kasi nga daw, gusto nila na parang kadugo, parang ka-close ko lang din. Para daw, mabait. Oh, char, mabait. Mabait si mami, guys. That way. We are going to pick up Daddy Mike, guys, from the grocery store, kasi Daddy Mike
The shop.
Yeah, I know, it's the shop. Siya yung nag-grocery shopping.
Stop! Give it to me.
Kasi alam daw niya yung mga, yung mga good deals. So, siya yung pumunta kanina. Sabi niya, I'll just call you when I'm done. So, we can pick him up. Kasi hindi man siya makapaglakad, guys, pag uwi. Kasi sobrang dami nang binili niya. What happened to this one? Louie, can you please stop? Did you call Daddy lang?
A burger! Cakey. Okay, a burger!
What?
Do you want that thing? Or the paper? It's a burger.
Yeah, I think Daddy did a
Don't touch me.
fair bit of shopping. Because it's like 1 week.
Mommy, don't touch me.
Probably
Don't
1 week shopping. Kasi for 1 week.
Don't watch me.
Punta na kami
Mommy,
ng
don't
Melbourne
touch
in
me.
1 week.
Don't touch me! Mommy, can you tell Celine don't touch me? Because she just put the nose.
Yay, Lini.
And she's trying to put it on me.
Silly.
Ow.
Oh, I didn't know we had 11 bucks.
No, I think they're off.
I was saying, I could have had it for.
Nah, I think they're off, boss.
Alright.
Yeah.
Look at that. The
The best shopper.
the shopper. If you need someone, guys, to shop for you, get good deals, yeah. You can give Daddy Mike a ring. How much did you pay, Daddy?
You can hire my services right here.
Very, and she's very
Cheap.
proud, very proud. Very proud din siya kapag ganito, guys. Siya yung nag-shopping kasi mga good deals yung you know where she is? Just like literally in front of Gasworks.
Hey,
The nails. Dug it. You know where that is, yeah? It's Newstead House. Just like, you know, when you turn with the lights. Yeah, that's where she is. Anyways, we're talking about like scam and all that, yeah? Not scam, thief, everything. Yeah, she was the one who did my nails at Cannon Hill, remember? And I really liked that one. Yeah. She went overseas for a bit.
Guys, I'm pulling this thing of mommy. She's saying,
I can see her esophagus now. Look at my... See? Can you pull this side, Lee? Ah! Pull this side. Okay!
I'll be careful. I'll be careful.
Good job.
Go away. Got it. Okay. Look at her. Mom, I can't.
Yes, you can. It's okay.
Do it softly. It might hurt. I like these. It's like wax. Are these wax?
It's a peel-off mask.
I can't. Mama, because it looks like wax.
Oh.
I can. Oh, I can. Mom, I can. Not to do it. Do it.
Look what Adi's doing. Oh, gentle.
Mom, I can do it. Help. Mom, I want to go cool it. Oh, don't cry. Don't cry. She looks so funny.